Hello everybody, my name is Mushroom. Look! I have to get good again.
Get good, scrub.
Well, I am the Grey Knight. He brought me along because the other one died.
Why are all the...
Or base. Come on!
Will you give me a second?
Oh. Oh, right. Never mind. Let's go. +5 agility. I'm gonna stick with this. You wanna go?
Not yet. Just give me a second. Wait, why would I ever
Okay,
choose...
we'll be back. Alright, welcome back. Oh, this is the Frank level! Frank! Frank the alligator!
Alright, I will give you all the gold, alright?
Yay. Because I am... No! He stole Frank!
Kill him! He's a monster!
Oh, I love Frank.
Everyone loves
And his derpy little face. Look at him, he's so cute!
Oh, they were about to sell her. For,
for
5 gold?
Jesus.
What, does she have all the diseases or something?
She's all wrinkly and crap down there. Like, oh my god!
You've clearly never seen a woman. Ignore that comment, humans.
Sorry I don't go around looking at vaginas, but, you know.
Hey.
I have a little bit more respect for women than Chaotic does.
Hey, with permission. Love and affection.
Love and affection, because, you know, Chaotic's now bi.
Apparently.
I just hope that people don't go Chaotic ship Martian. That would be annoying.
Alright, I'm just gonna say it right now. That's weird because he's kind of related to me, so
Wait, who's this? Ah, stupid owl. I don't want this gay owl.
What does the owl do?
Gives me food. I mean, I guess that's pretty cool. No! He took Frank! Kill him!
I want Frank.
You want Frank?
Yeah.
Here, take Frank.
Yay, Frank! Back
No!
off!
Get Frank real quick. You have to get him. There, now you have Frank.
Alright, all these guys are dead. You want to take the coins. Yo, you! Face forward.
Ow! Yes, I am the magical Grey Knight. Who shall fear me?
Die. Grab that coin. Oh my gosh.
What?
So far, you've wasted 10 coins, me trying to give them to you.
You know what? Nobody loves you, okay?
I love me.
Well, nobody else. Hey!
We saw that.
It's a moving bush. Who's gonna go light himself on fire and call himself God?
Was that a Moses reference?
Yes. Oh God! Oh!
And that is how he became the Grey Knight.
Right. I miss this game so much.
Alright, you take it.
What? No! No! I deny!
Oh, that's great.
No! Freaking stupid! They're thieves! Murder them!
That's a bit extreme, don't you think?
Murder them!
Sheesh.
Kill them! They took my gold!
Oh, I was looking at you thinking it was me. Alright, hey, chest.
Okay. Oh my Jeebus. I follow you, thy knight. What is your knight called?
Gaylot?
Gaylot?
I don't know.
I follow you, Sir Gaylot. I'm curb stomping them. It's a little extreme, but...
Not really, I mean, you are trying to kill him. Wait, how do you curb stomp?
Just press Y right over them.
Wow, Y is just the winning, move. Oh, you need health, dude.
No, I don't. I'm perfectly fine.
You were one hit away from death.
Ow. I just got pooped on by a frickin' thing.
He's now the Brown Knight!
Right?
I want him.
Have him. He's yours now. He loves you.
He's mine for life.
As long as I get to keep Bitey. He's my perfect will bat.
Yeah, sure, whatever.
Hey! He's adorable! I'm, dead.
Yeah, I noticed.
I'm kind of,
Yeah, I'm working on
I had a heart attack, but it's okay. Because nobody, okay. He's just gonna leave me there. Yay! Alright, let's go. Whoa, what the heck is that thing? Oh, right.
Scary.
Okay, what are they? Like, leaves?
Are you happy you get the money?
Yeah, I'm happy I get the money.
Oh, hey, that's a pet.
Oh, that is. I think we have to blow a hole in that.
Yeah,
So,
you
hold
don't
on.
say.
Hold on. How do you bomb again?
I don't think we have any. Alright, chest, come on. Oh. Here, test it out. Oh, wait, stop it.
No. It's a...
That's terrible.
That is horrible. Wait, do your Y. All the Ys. Press it rapidly. What? I do not remember this. Oh. Why is everything trapping itself? Oh!
I guess it's that scary.
No! Come here! Little brat! Die!
Kill it for no reason!
Yay, it exploded. And I got to see its guts. Ow. Do you see why I love this game now?
No, don't see it all.
Screw you. Nobody freaking loves you. Die in a hole.
You are a very mean person.
Yes, I am. Come here! No escapers!
No survivors!
No survivors! Get in front of him and then turn around and kill him. Throw him back. Oh.
Oh,
No! Come here! Okay, screw him. We have to focus on our mission. Dude. Focus on the mission.
I think
Focus on the mission!
he's dead now.
Oh.
And you decapitated him.
With the hammer. You have to be really skilled to do that.
No, you just have to hit him really hard. Whee! Oh, wait, yeah, I forgot.
Whoa! Whoa! What the heck is that thing?
And
It's a mama! It's a big old mama!
Wait, do we still get coins from those things?
It are a mama!
Do we get coins from killing these things?
Yes.
Alright. Well, then we could sit here and,
We can replay it. This is all we're gonna do on our free time.
what, get experience and gold?
Yeah. My gosh. This is ridiculous. I don't even know what's going on anymore.
Yeah, I'm just kind of pressing buttons and seeing what happens.
Like everybody else that plays this part. I'm rich! Whoa, what? Aw, babe, stop it, stop!
Yeah, sorry, I forgot.
You suck.
Hey, deer, bunny, I'll ride the bunny.
I want the poop one. He's special, okay? That's what they're scared of?
Yeah. I'm sorry?
It's alright. I don't really care that much. Okay, be right here so you can jump over crap. Do you like the poop one?
Yes.
His name is what should we call him?
Fluffy!
Alan. Oh.
Fine, Alan.
Alan Fluffy! Wait, what? I mean, we can call him Fluffy, but
Fluffy Alan?
Fluffy Alan. There we go. That sounds really wrong though.
How?
Never mind. I'm going to die. I don't see anything. I can't see the light. I really hope that's not a song. Oh! Ah, I suck. Every action movie placed in the medieval ages ever! Ow. This isn't cut very much, because it's like action-packed all the time. Why am I sucking?
How am I so awesome? I mean, I do everything with my eyes closed.
No, you don't.
Look at the eyes on my character. They are always.
Those are kawaii eyes. They're still open. They're just very, very slanted.
Are you making an Asian joke?
Yes, I am.
Feel bad about yourself.
Oh, I want to write on the dead guy. Aw, I didn't get to write on the dead guy. Give me that frickin'!
I'm sorry. Okay then.
That's not
you
a...
know what?
Ha.
Okay.
Bitey! No! What are you doing? Bitey! I thought I taught you better than that. Ow.
I want to ride a shark.
This is a bad idea, considering they're sharks.
I'll figure it out. Wait, I want that.
I'm dead. So, it's all on you, Chaotic. Take the pressure! We'll be back.
Go away!
Oh wow, you hit them all in one swing.
I am a master!
You were about to say, I am a god!
You can't prove that statement.
Look
how fast of a swimmer I am.
You're great, dude.
Man, it's time.
Hey, those swim parties really do a lot.
Swim parties?
Get it? Do a lot? My jokes suck. Alright, so what? Chaotic. Martian. Yeah. So anyways, I think we're gonna have to end this episode here, guys. Thank you all for watching.